Hi everyone, I'm Stefan from Route 1 Trailers. Today I'm gonna show you all the steps what you need to do to buy your old trailer. Your first step is to find good and reliable company with the good reviews. Hi guys, I'm Stefan. I'm looking to buy a trailer. I'm looking to buy an open deck trailer.
Hi Stefan, my name is Dimitri. So do you know exactly what trailer do you need? Is it a flatbed, a step deck, a Conestoga or an Airgen trailer maybe?
I'm not sure yet, but probably step deck.
A step deck. Okay, let's browse to our website and let's choose the right trailer. The majority of the trailers we have, they are brand new, so you should know exactly the specifications you want. It might be slide axle, fixed axle, it might be low profile one, 2 axles, 3 axles. Also we have some trailers that they are used one, so the majority of the trailer we have in stock. If you want to customize one, we can help you build you the trailer that you need. I can help you with the whole process buying the trailer, so I will take care everything's going easy and smooth. If you have any questions, so feel free to call me anytime, text me, and I will get the trailer for you.
Thank you, Dima. Thank you. Thank you so much for your help. I will need the help with the financing. Can you help me with that?
Yes, we have our financial department, so here is Kate, and she'll explain you step by step how to get the financing.
Thank you.
Hi.
Hi,
How you
Kate.
doing?
I'm Stefan.
Nice
Kate,
to meet you.
I find my trailer,
Okay.
but I don't have enough money. Can you help me with that?
Sure. That's basically why I'm here. Yep, so to help you with the financing, I'll just need you to fill out our credit application. It is right here. I'll just need your basic information about you, about your company, and with that, I'll do kind of a soft check to see how your credit looks like, and then we'll present it to the bank we work with. So basically my goal will be just to find you the best financing option with the best offer, best APR, and do not impact your credit at all.
Thank you, Kate. Just give me a few minutes. This is it.
That one, you like this one? Oh, that's a perfect choice, sir. This is the 2026 Extreme trailer, brand new. Got rear axle sliding, Hendrickson suspension and tire inflation, galvanized winches all up and down. It's the 53-footer, all aluminum from front to end with the brand new all aluminum Joss landing gear up there as well. You got all the strobe lights on the side, perfect for any load that you could think to carry.
Perfect. But I'm gonna need the ramps. I'm gonna need the toolboxes. Who can help me with that?
Oh, you gotta talk to Dima in the shop. He's perfect. He'll definitely take care of you.
Thank you.
Yes, of course.
Hi, Dima. How are you?
Hi, Stefan. Good. How about yourself?
Dima, I will need the toolboxes and headage rack for my truck and trailer. Can you help me with that?
Yes, we have plenty of them in stock. So from the toolboxes, we have 3 models. 18 by 18 by 60, we have 18 by 24 by 60, and we have the biggest one, 24 by 24 by 60. So from the headage rack, we have the biggest one with 3 doors. We have the small one with 1 box in the middle and plain one.
Dima, I got my headage rack, I got my HD ramps, I got my toolboxes. Now I need the equipment. Who can help me with that?
Oleg will be your guy, so he'll help you with the cargo.
Thank you, brother.
You're welcome.
Hi, guys. I'm looking for Oleg.
Hi, it's me.
Hi, Oleg. I'm Stefan.
Nice to meet you, Stefan.
Oleg, Dima helped me today to get the boxes for my trailer, to get the ramps for my trailer, to get the headage rack. Now I need the equipment. Are you be able to help me to get the equipment?
Yes, sure, you're in the right place. We have different types of full sets. We have for step deck, we have for flatbed, we have for Conestoga. So everything what do you need, you can find here.
Perfect. Give me a few minutes, I will be back. Hi guys, I just got my first trailer today and I want to know more about the warranty on it.
Of course. My name's Alex. I'm the warranty specialist with Route 1 Trailers. I can guide you through the warranty process.
Perfect.
First of all, I would need to know what kind of trailer you're looking to warranty. You can send your trailer information, the full VIN number, and any parts you're looking to warranty to my email, parts@route1trailers.com.
Perfect.
The next step would be to reach out to the manufacturer to get the warranty details and determine coverage. After that, we will wait for the parts to come in. We'll have them installed here at our facility to make sure the warranty process goes smoothly, and then we will send completed work order to warranty for coverage.
Thank you. Perfect, Alex. You answered all my questions. Hi, Ruben. Today I got my trailer, I got my equipment, and I'm ready to hit the road. I just want to say thank you for everything what you guys did for me today.
Thank you for your business. We appreciate it, and I want to make sure that we exceeded your expectations. I want to make sure that you got the right trailer that you got the right payment for your trailer and it's affordable for you. And I want to make sure that you got the proper equipment, which is going to make your job much easier. And so if you want to buy more trailers, more flatbeds, step decks, Conestoga or RGN trailers, or if your friends need any of those trailers, please refer them to us. And so on your next purchase, we'll make sure to get you a nice discount.
Perfect. Thank you.
Thank you for your business, and we'll see you soon, and be safe on the road.
Hey guys, that was the all steps what you need to go through to get your trailer and equipment in one place. If you want Route 1 Trailers to be your partner, please give us a call and click the link below.